I shouldn't have stayed so late at work, trying to figure out that login bug. Now I'm gonna miss my laundry time. Oh, good. I didn't miss it. Now let's hope it gets dry so I can go to bed and sleep. Oh, no? What was that? That was the machine turning off. I can't believe this. Now I have wet laundry in a dead machine. What am I going to do? Oh, the stupid laundry. Good, now it seems to work. But I'm gonna be late for work. Boss is gonna be angry.
You're late because the laundry machine took your clothes hostage?